Rebuilding your engine? DNJ offers a complete line of engine kits with everything you'll need to get the job done. Depending on the model of your car, our engine kits come with pistons and rings, engine bearings, brass freeze plugs, and a full sealing set with upper and lower gaskets. In addition to this, our master kits include an oil pump and a timing belt or timing chain kit, depending on the vehicle application. With over 3,000 engine kits available, DNJ offers the most complete line in its class. These are OEM quality kits that you can rely on. DNJ. We are quality, experience, and trust.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.